Hello, today we will discuss the next point from your unit second, that is from the Fourier series, and the name of the topic is the harmonic analysis. Okay, this is application of Fourier series in harmonic analysis. Okay, तो देखो let y be a function of x, let y be a function of x, that is y is function of x, be a periodic function be a periodic function defined in the interval defined in interval 0 to 2l. Okay, maybe 0 to 2l, or maybe 0 to some constant, or maybe 0 to 2 pi. Let xi comma yi I from 0 1 dot 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 m minus 1 be the given set of values b given set of values. These are the values in given set, that is the ordered pair xi yi. We know that the Fourier series expansion, we know that this is your expansion y is equal to, or f of x is equal to the expansion of Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2l. This is a0 divided by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity in bracket an cos n pi x divided by l plus bn sin n pi x divided by l. Correct, this is your expansion of Fourier series. Correct, Fourier series. Okay, here a0, a1 and bn are the coefficients in Fourier series. Okay, now we have to find the values of a0, values of an, also values of bn in the interval 0 to 2l. Okay, we know that this is very well to you. Here for harmonic we have to develop this result by using the trapezoidal rule. Okay, तो क्या जाएगा, here a0 is equal to the value of a0 1 upon l integration 0 to 2l f of x into dx. Correct, this is your value of a0. Okay, in the interval 0 to 2l 1 upon l 0 to 2l f of x into dx. But by using this some basic formulas we have to develop this value of a0, and the value of a0 is equal to 2 times in bracket mean values of y, that is average mean values of y in a interval 2l, in the interval 0 to 2l. Okay, mean values of y in the interval 0 to 2l, mean values of y. Okay, mean values of y in this interval. उसका मीनिंग क्या है, average of y, that is a0 is equal to 2 times summation y divided by n. Correct, summation y divided by n. Okay, this is formula of a0, okay. Then same, the value of an is also, we know that value of an 1 upon l integration 0 to 2l f of x cos n pi x divided by l into dx. Correct, this is your value of an. But here we have to use this formula as an is equal to 1 by l, an is equal to 1 by l 1 by L or we have tried this formula directly in the form of summation. En is equal to 2 times mean value of y. This is your f of x is nothing but y into cos n pi x divided by L in the given interval 0 to 2L. Okay, this is your modified formula for the value of En. That is summation y into cos n pi x upon L. Okay, this is your formula. Or An is 2 times summation, just like this, summation y into cos n pi x upon L. Okay, 2 times summation y into cos n pi x divided by L and whole divided by En. Okay, average mean values of y into cos n pi x upon L. Okay, and this is nothing but the average. Okay, also the value of Bn, we know that value of Bn is 1 by L 0 to 2L f of x into sin n pi x divided by L, correct, into dx, correct. This is value of Bn with respect to integration, but we have to develop this formula. We get Bn is equal to 2 times mean value of y into sin n pi x divided by L in the interval 0 to 2L. Okay, in the interval 0 to 2L. Or Bn is equal to 2 times summation, mean value is nothing but average. Okay, y sin n pi x divided by L and whole divided by En. Okay, these formulas are important for solving the questions of harmonic analysis. Okay, this is value of A0, 2 times summation of y divided by n, or A0 is equal to 2 times mean values of y in 0 to 2L in the given interval. Also, this is formula of An, 1 by L 0 to 2L f of x cos n pi x divided by L into dx, or 2 times mean values of y into cos n pi x upon L in the given interval. Or An is equal to 2 times summation y into cos n pi x upon L divided by En. Then same Bn is 1 by L 0 to 2L f of x sin n pi x upon L into dx, or 2 times mean values of y into sin n pi x upon L, or 2 times summation y sin n pi x upon L whole divided by n. Okay, these formulas are important for solving the question in harmonic analysis. Okay, now these 3 formulas are important. Formula, the value of A0, the value of An, also value of Bn. Okay, same for the interval 0 to 2 pi. Suppose interval is 0 to 2 pi, or the same for the interval 0 to L. Interval 0 to L, that is the sine and cosine half range series. Sine and cosine half range series, we have to use the same formula also. Okay. Now we will discuss the examples on the topics. Example first. Obtain the constant term. Example first. Obtain the constant terms and the coefficient of the first and the coefficient and the coefficients of first cosine and sine terms, cosine and sine terms in the expansion of sine terms in the expansion of y from the table, and table is the values of x and values of y. I will draw here a table. The values of x are 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the values of x. Also the values of y. Y is nothing but f of x. 9, 18, 24, 9, 18, 24, 28, 26 and 20. These are the values. Okay, this is your question. First try to understand the question. Obtain the constant term. Constant term is nothing but a0. Okay, constant term a0, and the coefficient of the first cosine and sine terms. Coefficients of first cosine, उसका मीनिंग क्या है? कोसाइन का कोएफिशिएंट क्या जाएगा? फर्स्ट a1. ओके, an ओके, उसके साथ क्या है? कोसाइन के साथ an. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट कोसाइन कोएफिशिएंट. तो क्या जाएगा? फॉर फर्स्ट क्या जाएगा? a1. वी हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ a1. Also the first coefficient in sine, first coefficient in sine, उसका मीनिंग क्या है? We have to find value of b1 because bn is with sine. Okay, in the expansion of y from the table. Okay, here we have to use the harmonic analysis. Okay, this is application part from Fourier series. Now first here interval. Here interval is 0 to. Now tell me number of subinterval कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. 0 to 6. Interval क्या है? 0 to 6. Okay. There are six sub partitions. This is called sub partitions. Okay. There are 6 sub partitions having equal length. उसकी length क्या है? 1. उसकी length 1. उसकी length 1. उसकी length 1. उसकी length 1. सबकी length क्या है? 1. Okay. So this is from 0 to 6 and this is equal to 0 to 2l. This is your formula, 0 to 2l. Here we have to find the sine and cosine both. Okay, sine and cosine both. We have to use the general formula. So interval 0 to 6 is equal to 0 to 2l. We get the value of l. l क्या मिलेगा? Therefore l is equal to 2l is equal to 6. तो l क्या जाएगा? l is equal to 3. l is equal to 3. Okay. Now the Fourier series, therefore the Fourier series to represent for y is, तो क्या जाएगा फॉर्मूला? We know that the value of y or f of x is equal to y is equal to a0 divided by 2 plus summation a1, sorry, we have to find here a1 only, a1 cos pi x divided by 3. तो देखो n pi x, here we have to find n pi x. फार्मूला क्या है उसका? Okay, I will write here n pi x. We have to find first term. We have to find only first term. तो क्या जाएगा? a1. तो n की वैल्यू क्या जाएगी? 1. Okay. Cos pi x divided by l. But the value of l is 3. Value of l is 3. Plus also we have to find the first coefficient of sine, that is b1. Put n is equal to 1 in bn. n is equal to 1. क्या जाएगा? Sin pi x divided by l. l is 3. Okay. This is your equation first. This is your equation first. Here we have to find both. The first coefficient of cos, that is a1 cos pi x, because n is 1. Value of n is 1. Okay, we have to put n is equal to 1. Also the sin, तो n is equal to क्या जाएगा 1. Okay, आपके पास जो भी फार्मूला है जनरल फार्मूला, y is equal to a0 divided by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity a1 cos n pi x upon l plus sin plus bn sin n pi x upon l. In this formula, replace n as 1 because we have to find first term, and replace the value of l as 3. Okay. Now this is your equation first. Now the values of a0, the value of a1 and value of b1 आपको मालूम है. और first construct the table. First we have to construct table. First construct table. First construct the table. क्या जाएगा टेबल? इन टेबल the values of x, also values of y. Suppose this is your x, this is your y. Then next क्या जाएगा? y into we have to find value of a1 and value of bn. Okay, y into sin n pi sin pi x upon 3. तो n is 1, correct. तो क्या जाएगा? sin pi x upon 3, y into sin pi x upon 3, and last क्या जाएगा? y into cos pi x upon 3. From this formula we get this, because for finding value of y0, for finding value of a0, we have to require mean values of y. For finding value of a1, we have to require mean values of y into cos, and for finding value of b1, we have to require value the mean values of sin. Okay, now construct this table. Construct this table from calci. आपके सबके पास calci है. From calci we get answer by using calci. I will write, or I will construct table here. Okay, now write values of x. Values of x are 0 to 5. X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the values of y, correct. These are the values of x. And the values of y, and the given values of y, 9, 18, 24, 28, 26 and 20. These are the values of y. Okay, we have to find answer of this equation first. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आता है? Okay, we have to find first term. For this purpose, put n is equal to 1 in that summation. We get this. Now for finding value of a0, we have to require mean values of y. For finding value of a1, we have to require mean values of y into cos last, and for finding value of bn, we have to require mean values of y into sin. Okay, now put x is equal to 0 in this formula. तो क्या जाएगा? sin 0. Answer is 0. I will write this value directly by using calci. Okay, आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Put x is equal to 0 in that. तो क्या जाएगा? sin 0. This is 0. Then put x is equal to 1. तो क्या जाएगा? यहाँ पे sin pi by 3 into y की वैल्यू क्या है? 18. y, okay, 18 into sin pi by 3. Find value of 18 into sin pi by 3 by using calci. I will write here all the values directly. आपको वही करना है बाद में. Same calculation by using calci. आपको आंसर डायरेक्ट मिलेगा. This is 15.58. The next 20. Okay, the next 0, because x is 3. If we replace x as 3 get cancelled. Sin pi आएगा. Sin pi is 0 into y whole is 0. The next minus 22.51. The next minus 17.32. These are the values of y into sin pi x. Now here put x as 0 and y as 9. Put x as 0. cos 0 क्या मिलेगा? 1. ओके, तो y का बचेगा 9. तो वहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? 9. Then second also 9. Then third is then next minus 28, then minus 30, then last value is 9, 9 minus 12 minus 28, 13, and last value is 10. Okay, these are the values. These are the values of y into cos pi by 3 into x. Okay, now we have to find your actual answer. Here the number of subintervals. Number of subintervals कितने हैं? 6. First subinterval, second interval, third interval, fourth interval, fifth interval, and sixth interval. Okay, here the value of n, here n is equal to 6. n कितना है? 6. And we know that therefore we have to find value of a0 and a0. Value of a0 क्या जाएगी? a0, the value of a0 is 2 times mean values of summation y. 2 times mean values of summation y. Or I will draw one table here also. I will write one extra. Here write summation y. Here write summation y into sin pi x divided by 3. And here write summation y into cos pi x divided by 3. यहाँ पे भी वैल्यू लिख दी तो भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो फार्मूला में डायरेक्टली बाद में भी सॉल्व पुट की तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट आई विल ऐड हियर. ओके, तो देखो समेशन y, सबके एडिशन क्या जाएगी? समेशन y, दिस इज योर एडिशन ऑफ दिस y is 1 to 5. ओके, ऐड ऑल दिस, then addition of this is minus 3.40, and addition of this is 25. Addition of this is minus 25. Sorry, this is minus 25. These are the values. Okay, these are the values. Now we have to find the values of a0, value of a1, and value of b1. Here the number of subintervals, that is n. Here n is equal to 6. Here n is equal to 6. Okay, यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया सबको? Here n is equal to 6. Now we have to find the value of a0, value of a1, and value of b1. Okay, I will drop this. Here we have to find value of a0, value of a1, and value of b1. Okay, now we know that the value of a0 is therefore a0 is equal to the mean values of y. Correct, 2 times mean values of y. तो क्या जाएगा? 2 times summation y upon n. 2 times summation y divided by n. 2 into the summation y is 125 and n is 6. n कितना है? 6. Correct, value of n is 6. Now find answer this by using calci. We get this is 41.66. 41.66. This is value of a0. Now value of a1, this is 2 times the mean values of y into cos n pi x. Sorry, pi x, n is 1. Pi x divided by 3 whole divided by 6. Correct. This is 2 into, this is your value cos minus 25 divided by 6. We get minus 8.33 minus 8.33. Then next value of b1 is equal to 2 times summation y sin pi x divided by 3 whole divided by 6, and this is 2 into the value of sin minus 3.40 divided by 6 is equal to this is minus 1.15. Okay, these are the values. First consider the table, then after that find value of a0. a0 is 2 times summation y divided by n. This is your summation y. Then a1 is 2 times mean values of this y into cos pi x upon 3, and b1 2 times mean values of y into sin pi x divided by 3. We get this. Therefore equation 1 becomes y इज इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा, a0 डिवाइड बाई 2, ओके, डिवाइड बाई दिस 2 वी गेट a0, दिस इज योर a0 डिवाइड बाई 2, तो क्या मिलेगा वो डिवाइड, हाँ a0 डिवाइड बाई 2, तो क्या जाएगा वहाँ पे 2.33, ओके, देन माइनस वैल्यू ऑफ a1, वैल्यू ऑफ a1 की वैल्यू यहाँ पे लिखा है माइनस 8.33 इंटू कॉस पाई एक्स बाई 3 इंटू कॉस पाई एक्स डिवाइड बाई 3 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ b1 इज माइनस 1.15 इंटू साइन पाई एक्स डिवाइड बाई 3 एंड दिस इज योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर, okay. Here we have to find the value of a0, value of a1 and value of b1. Find this value by using this table and put in this equation 1, we get the required answer, okay. This is your example first. This is for sin and cos. कभी भी sin and cos आ गया we have to use this series, okay, or we have to use this formula. And if आपके पास given है find only cosine or sine series, at that time we have to use the sine or cosine half range series, okay. Now example second, we will discuss the next example on the same topic, okay. This is your final answer. Example second, obtain the first three, obtain the first three coefficient in coefficients in the Fourier cosine series, for y using practical harmonic analysis, okay, by using the following data. Data is the values of x 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and values of y 2, 8, 15, 7, 6, okay. So this is your second question answer. Here we have to find the Fourier cosine series. Okay, we know that the Fourier cosine series, okay. So here we have to find answer by using the half range Fourier cosine series, okay. Half range Fourier cosine series answer, therefore and we have to find first three terms, that is a1, a2, a3, okay. a1, a2, a3. The half range answer, the half range cosine series in the interval 0 to L is equal to, यहाँ पे कितना इंटरवल 0 to, नंबर ऑफ सब इंटरवल कितने हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, क्या जाएगा 0 to 5, okay. Here we have to use the Fourier cosine half range series, okay, for finding cosine, okay. Therefore the value of L, L is equal to, L कितना आ जाएगा 5, L is 5, okay. Now by using the half range series we get value of y, therefore y is equal to क्या जाएगा y, value of y a0 by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x divided by L, correct, n pi x divided by L. Now we have to replace this as first three terms, therefore y is equal to क्या जाएगा a0 divided by 2 plus replace n as 1, replace n as 1, here L is 5, replace n as 1 तो क्या मिलेगा a1, क्या मिलेगा a1 cos n is 1 pi x divided by 5 plus replace n as 2, replace n as 2 तो क्या जाएगा a2 cos n कितना है यहाँ पे 2 तो क्या जाएगा 2 pi x divided by 5 प्लस रिप्लेस n as 3, रिप्लेस n as 3 तो क्या जाएगा a3 cos 3 pi x divided by 5 plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is series. ये समझ में आ रहा है सबको? This is your series because we have to find the first three coefficients in a Fourier cosine series. For this purpose, here we have to use the half range Fourier cosine series. Y is equal to a0 by 2 summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x divided by 5. Then put n is equal to 1, put n is equal to 2, put n is equal to 3. We get this. First, we will construct the table. First, we will construct the table. The values of x, values of y. Then y into, we have to find this value. Okay, y into cos. Okay, y into cos. Cos क्या जाएगा pi x upon 5 for finding a1. Then second y into cos 2 pi x upon 5 and third is y into cos 3 pi x upon 5. Cos 3 pi x into 5. Okay. Now we have to find all these values. Okay. Now replace the values of x and y. X starting from 0 and goes to 4, correct? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And the values of y 2, 8, 15, 2, 8, 15, 7, 6, 7, 6. Okay. Now put x is equal to 0 in this formula. If we put x is equal to 0, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा cos of 0 and cos of 0 is 1 into y. Y कितना है 2, तो we get the value is if we put x as 0, we get this is your value y into cos pi x upon 5, y into sin 2 pi x upon 5, y into cos 3 pi x upon 5. Okay, so put all these values, we get, I will write here 1 6.47, the next 4.43, the next minus 2.16, the next minus 4.85. Again we get the second 1 2.47, the next, then the next. Okay, then same for last 1 minus 0.30, minus 1.61, 5.66 and minus 4.42. Okay, these are the values. These are the values. Okay, these are the values. Now we find the summation y. I will write here summation sign, summation of these, summation of these, and summation of these also. Okay, we have to find all these values. by using the summation, we get the summation y is 4t, then summation y into this is 0.89, here is minus, and last is, okay, these are the values, okay. First construct the table, after that we have to find the value of a1, value of a0, value of, okay, all these value of a0, value of a1, value of a2, and value of a3, okay. Now therefore the value of a1 is, or value of a0 is, therefore a0 is equal to, तो क्या जाएगा a0 2 times summation y divided by 5, नंबर ऑफ सब इंटरवल कितने हैं यहाँ पे 5, दैट इज वैल्यू ऑफ n इज फर्स्ट इंटरवल, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, ओके, नंबर ऑफ सब इंटरवल्स 5, we get this is your 16, okay. Then value of a1 is 2 by 5 summation y cos pi x divided by 5, okay, this is your value of a1, okay. Now put all this value, we get a1 is 0.35, then value of a2 is 2 by 5 summation y cos 2 pi x divided by 5, and answer of this is 0. Also we have to find value of, I will write here value of a3, also a3 is equal to क्या जाएगा 2 by 5 summation cos 3 pi x divided by 5, we get 2 by 5 into, this is value of 0.3116, and this is a3 is 0.124, okay. Suppose this is your equation first, then the equation 1 becomes, therefore equation 1 becomes y is equal to, क्या मिलेगा, वैल्यू ऑफ a0 by 2, तो a0 की वैल्यू क्या है 16, तो क्या जाएगा 8, the value of a1 into cos pi x divided by 5 plus value of a2, is, here is value of a2, and the value of a2 is 0.12 into cos 2 pi x divided by 5 plus value of a3, and value of a3 is 0.124 into cos 3 pi x divided by 5, okay. This is your second example, and this is your answer, y is equal to this, okay. Here, okay, in this example we have to find the first 3 coefficient in cosine series. For this purpose, here we have to use the half range Fourier cosine series, then same question, same answer, okay. Now I will give one more example for homework to you. Example 3, a turning moment capital T units of the crank of a system, of a steam engine is given for is given for the series of values of the crank angle theta in a degree. This is your theta table. This is your capital T. This angle theta starting from 0 to 180 degree. 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180. 180 nothing but pi, correct? 180 is nothing but pi. Degree. Now we get values of y 5224, then 80 for 0 answer is 0, sorry, for 0. Okay, then find the first four terms. Find the first four terms in the series of sine. Okay, this is your question. Look on the board. You have to find the first four terms in the series of sine. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? By using the Fourier half range sine series, we have to find value of B1, B2, B3 and B4. Here the number of subintervals कितने? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, correct? तो नंबर ऑफ सब इंटरवल कितने हैं? n कितना जाएगा? 7 एंड द लेंथ क्या जाएगी? लेंथ इज आल्सो 7. ओके, नाउ सॉल्व दिस एग्जांपल एट होम. फाइंड द फोरियर द फोर्थ टर्म इन सीरीज ऑफ कोसाइन. You get answer. Okay, here is the harmonic analysis. This is part from Fourier series. This is application part from Fourier series, and this part is over here.